Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ka Jylla oba Prestone tensong ulabo jengkeli ya ka All India Trinamool Congress bagi don Nongaiktien ne em nakaseng ha ka Jylla. Balada ka don Balei julat Kren Henry haban pen Kren da Nongaiktien Nabar Jylla. Habaya Kren bat kelat pathai khubor u ba tensong ulaong ba kwa penlut por bat usakit ku khali u balakam yalade kumu Aitc National Spokesperson ka Jylla Meghalaya. Bat menta ulayo I ba ulakop sayo Menteri Rangba. Ula banrap da ka baong ru tharai uni ubriu umtep yaki kendon. Menta ki briu kidon ka hok banyo jingtep lang ba ka RTI, bat kila banyo ka jubab na baro kitenat Henry menta usuong yatai siyatai. Ula ong ru ba menta ukam yaladi ba uday unong Nongaiktien ka TMC. Bat ula tharai ru ba ka TMC ka don Nongaiktien na ka Jylla Meghalaya. Henry umtip ka don ni em ha ka Jylla, balada kidon jia ayu ya uta Nongaiktien ka TMC na Meghalaya ba Kren. Ula banrap ru ba umtip Balei Kren si Kren yakani bat hap kali na ka State Unit Aitc bakan jubam ba kidon jingtmu ban penlong kertong MP ya une kumno. Ula banrap ru habaong State Unit kamut bakadon yakahok ban keli banwat RTI habaro kiliang ban ap yaki briu ki Nabar.
See, I think I don't want to spend time. I don't want to spend time with this fellow. Yeah, I saw again the newspaper. He challenged CM now. See, in fact, I think this man, he does not know the procedure. Now, what do you have? You have every right to get information. Why don't you go RTI? And then why don't you get all the details from the concerned department? Right. Then we have every right to reply also. So therefore, just saying we want debate. I think. See, number two, especially number two, as I said to you, he's the so-called spokesperson. Okay. I wish the spokesperson should be from Meghalaya. But I don't know whether TMC, do they have a spokesperson here in Meghalaya?
Yes.
They have. Who?
The vice president and
Who's the spokesperson?
MLAs.
Who MLAs? Then why not the MLAs? Spokesperson of the TMC Meghalaya. Speak about it. Recently we just finished our autumn session. We spoke so much, we debate so much about different issues. That's what I'm telling you. I don't have time to talk with this so-called spokesperson of Aitc. I don't know. We can ask this from the state unit of Aitc. Let the state unit of Aitc, tell us, are they planning to set up or to make him MP candidate? Or I don't know what is their planning. Okay, because as I said to you, in fact, whatever you see, the state unit is the state unit. I think the state unit has every right to question, to ask question, and even to go for RTI or whatever. It's very important.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.